Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and embrace this moment. Let go of the burdens of the past and the worries of the future. Just be here, right now. Feel God wrapping you in His presence. Surrender yourself completely to peace. God, fill my soul and body with peace in this very moment. Take away all my tension, fears, and worries. Replace them with trust, courage, and tranquility. Give me the strength I need today and bring light into my life. Amen. Now, take a deep breath. As you inhale, feel the peace filling you. As you exhale, release all your worries and exhaustion. Your body is relaxing. Your mind is calming. With every breath you take, draw in God's love and protection. And as you exhale, let go of everything that weighs you down or troubles you. God, cleanse me. Surround me with peace. Remove all negative energy from me. Fill me with your love and bring serenity to my heart. Amen. Now, repeat these words in your mind. I am strong. I am full of love. I am at peace. God, grant me the strength to overcome the challenges life brings. Fill my heart with hope, my soul with tranquility, and my body with health. I feel your light surrounding me. I accept your compassion, mercy, and protective power. I surrender all my worries to you. Amen. Forgiveness lightens the soul. Now, think of someone you need to forgive. Send them love. God, open my heart to forgiveness. Give me the strength to let go of those who have hurt me. I release anger, resentment, and the burdens of the past. Fill my heart with love. Now, forgive yourself. Let go of your mistakes. Free yourself from the weight of the past. God, I accept myself as I am. Teach me to treat myself with love and understanding. I make peace with my past. I embrace myself with kindness. Now, say these words in your heart. God, I am grateful for today, for my health, for my loved ones, for every moment I am given. Thank you for filling me with peace at this very moment. Thank you in advance for the doors you will open and the opportunities you will provide. Take one more deep breath. Now slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you throughout the day. Amen.